No bueno. It's a little loose. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to tighten up this ball joint. So obviously it was ran loose for a while. We're going to put it in the milling machine and mill the block here and this aluminum frame and try to tighten this up and get some of the play out of it, because I don't want to have to buy a new one of these. Not when I got tools over here at my disposal. Let's get to it. And both of these are worn. Like, I think this got more wear than the other. But I think we just mill a little bit off each side, maybe, I don't know, 10 thousandths or something. For fun, I'm gonna mount this guy up and see if it's a lot looser or a little bit looser, or just to see what we're working with. Yeah, that one's definitely more loose than the other one was. Pretty sure these surfaces are parallel to the front. I guess we're about to find out here. What do you think? Think we try it?
Sure.
Sounds good to you, doesn't it? This is the other thing I'm concerned about. Will it move that way far enough? I think I'm going to run out of treble. Yep. That was what I was second guessing there. About.
You have to take the device off.
Yep. I mean, or turn it the other way, and then if I turn it the other way, how do I clamp it? I don't know how I could clamp it the other way. I do think this is the best way. Since I got a brand new end mill, might as well put it in there and use it. Just kind of seeing how close we are here. Looks pretty close. That was 10. We'll go 20. I'll take 30 off of that one, I'll take 30 off of this one and see what happens. That was a 15 thousandths cut. Take another 15 and we'll be done. It's probably like most milling operations, you end up spending a lot more time in setup than you do actually making chips. Cool. This was our worst one, so I'm gonna try it first. More than likely, if this works, the other one will be good too. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. And I know this one should be better, but I'm gonna double check. I mean, I see a gap there now, so it's probably gonna be good, but we'll just tighten it up just to see. Looks good to me. No movement there. I like it. Until next time, see you, bye.